Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a bag strap buckle. First, carefully examine your buckle to determine if it's a simple slip, a broken component, or just needs a good cleaning. Most buckles are either side release, cam, or ladder lock styles, each with a unique adjustment method. Having the right tools, like a small screwdriver or pliers, will make the repair process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started on diagnosing the problem. Many common buckle issues are surprisingly easy to resolve. If your strap is constantly slipping, it might just be threaded incorrectly. Ensure it passes through all slots as designed for maximum grip. For buckles that feel stiff or sticky, a quick clean with a small brush and some mild soap can often restore smooth operation. If you have a metal buckle that's slightly bent, a pair of pliers can carefully reshape it back into place, but be gentle to avoid further damage. Sometimes a buckle is beyond repair and needs to be replaced entirely. First, measure the width of your strap accurately. This ensures you purchase a new buckle that fits perfectly. You can find replacement buckles at craft stores or online retailers, often for just a few dollars. Carefully cut off the old, damaged buckle, then thread the strap through the new one. For sewn-on buckles, you might need to do a bit of simple stitching to secure the new piece. To keep your bag strap buckles in excellent working condition for years, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Try to avoid over-tightening your straps, as this puts unnecessary stress on the buckle's components, especially plastic ones. Periodically inspect your buckles for any small cracks, bends, or signs of wear before they become major problems. Storing your bags carefully, away from heavy objects, also helps protect buckles from accidental damage or crushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.